Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a BMW 4 Series door handle. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a T20 Torx driver and a plastic trim removal tool. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel. This step reveals the mounting screws and electrical connections for the handle. Disconnect any wiring harnesses attached to the old handle assembly. Take your time to avoid damaging the delicate clips and wires. Once the panel is off, locate and unscrew the two main Torx screws holding the handle in place. These are usually visible after the panel is removed. With the screws out, carefully pull the handle assembly away from the door. You'll then need to detach the cable or rod that connects the handle to the door latch mechanism. This often involves a small clip or lever that needs to be released. Be gentle to prevent bending or breaking any components. Now take your new door handle and carefully connect it to the door latch cable or rod. Make sure it's securely attached and moves freely. Then, align the new handle with the opening in the door frame. Gently push it into place, ensuring all mounting points are flush. Reinsert and tighten the two Torx screws to firmly secure the new handle assembly. Do not over-tighten, as this can strip the threads. Finally, reconnect any electrical connectors to the new handle. Ensure all wiring is properly routed and secured. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap back into place and the panel sits flush. Before closing everything up, test the new door handle's functionality. Check both the interior and exterior handles to confirm they operate smoothly and the door latches correctly. This ensures a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.